This video shows how to install and use the Riff controller script for Bitwig. Visit scribbletune.com, open Plugins, and choose Riff for Bitwig. Click Download. This goes to my Google Drive where the script appears. Click Download again to save the file. Move the downloaded file to Documents, Bitwig Studio, Controller Scripts. If you already have a copy, replace it. Open Bitwig and go to Settings, then Controllers. Click Add Controller. Choose Scribbletune from the drop-down and select Riff. Riff will appear in the top right corner. To use Riff, create a MIDI clip and make sure it is selected. Then open Riff and click Generate to create patterns. The clip must be selected, so Riff knows where to place notes. You can also experiment with chords and other styles. My favorite is Counterpoint. If you run into any issues, let me know. For more plugins and tools, visit scribbletune.com.